No. I'm joking.
Oh, wait! You know,
All you want give me answer. All you want do you know I want you?
what's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. And this is. Let me show you this And today I have a lovely guest. Introduce herself.
TIANNE ESSON. Hey guys.
Really, nigga?
So she's gonna introduce herself.
Hey guys, I'm TIANNE ESSON.
And the crowd goes wild. Woohoo! And today we're continuing another episode of Shelby's Shenanigans, where I do a lot of shenanigans. You'll never know what's gonna come on the next episode. So first thing is first, she's gonna introduce herself a little more, and after each sentence she has to say the word Bob. And if she forgets to say the word Bob, she has to take a shot. But before we start that, we have to take our first shot. So this is how we start off the games. Cheers.
So hey guys, my name is TIANNE ESSON. Bob.
What do you do other than YouTube?
Oh, I'm a model.
Yeah, go there.
Yeah.
Which agency?
Oh, I'm model for Saints International.
Oh, you start that off.
I started modeling Bob. You know you're forgetting Bob too.
No man, may I count them on film?
Oh, 3?
Yeah man.
Oh, you guys counting
Yeah
the
man, may I
shots?
count them on film?
I didn't. So yes, Bob. So yeah, I started modeling. My mom is a Saints designer. My mom does designing Bob, and you know I always go to her shows and do Peter say I should model, so I started modeling Bob, and that's how I became a model, Bob.
Alright, you still have 2 shots. You still have 2 shots. I'm gonna make it 2. Alright, you have like 3, but I'm gonna give you 2 shots. Alright, Miss TIANNE ESSON, Los Saints model. I'm gonna go easy on you. We're gonna take that one there first. But not drunk off people in data. You make sure she reach home safe and sound.
No,
But not do it to her. 2. I go easy. Not do it too bad. There we go. Alright. So the first game we're gonna do is 2 truths and 1 lie. So she's gonna give me 2. I'm tired of the choke them, brother. And you know, so them never did make so much noise before. 2 truths, 1 lie. So she's gonna tell me 2 truths and 1 lie, and I have to guess which one the lie is. If I get it wrong, I have to take a shot, and then I'm gonna do the same. Boy, my head on the fall already.
Well, and I one shot alone to take.
Boy,
And I took 3.
the head on the fall. All right. So yeah. No man, I mean if I'm on it, you know. Alright, yeah, and vice versa. I tell 2 truths, 1 lie. If she doesn't get the lie right, then gotta take a shot. So who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Can you go first now? Since no, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper. Wait. We're doing rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Yeah.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, so you first.
Alright, 2 truths, 1 lie. I'm 17. My favorite color is blue, and I went to Senior High.
You're 17. Yeah, tired. You're a 17 girl.
I'm 16, guys. 17 on a Wednesday. Today's what day?
Today which day? Thursday?
Thursday.
Oh,
Yeah,
well, that's still liar. Drink up. Since oh yeah, if I guess the lie, she has to take a shot. I used to go to Queens. I did a big chop last year. I have.
That's because I know the lie already.
I had a surgery when I was 10. Guess the lie.
You never watch. You never look.
I can't hear, girl.
You never went to Queens?
How you know?
I'm from Portland. I used to live in the country that.
And I say, suppose when they come at town, come to school. You know when they pass for Arden?
True.
Could I come at Arden? I like never pass for Arden, but then could I transfer? God have mercy. I want to drink. I think I'm in a bus off, you know?
Can't see us.
We cannot drink rum.
And a white room too. Outside.
You know, the man them outside.
I have 7 siblings. I'm the only girl. Sadly, 2. I used to play table tennis. 3. I have a cat. That's a pet.
You did play table tennis for true?
Yeah. For Jamaica too.
Oh, you just give me an answer still. Never, I guess. You're not a cat. You have cat?
A cat.
You're not a cat.
For true.
Oh God! This is supposed to be my channel. You're supposed to be suffering, not me. Listen. No, girl. No.
Which one is a lie?
You don't have no cat. What? You did, what?
I don't have 7 siblings.
How much you have?
3. 3 brothers.
This is supposed to be my channel.
Why should I cry? Why should I cry? You know, so she not done the shot them because I'm not saying nothing still.
I forgot I use them shot still. Alright. I have 3 siblings. I grew up with my grandmother. I know sign language. Sign language.
That's the lie.
That's not the lie.
You never grew up with your grandma. Wait. You never grew up with your grandma.
No, you already guessed it wrong. You already guessed it.
She drunk, you know, she low-key drunk.
I not guess so much because I know I give me too much more. But it's gone already. And I forgot to buy water. We can't get a can water because my media did right. Guys, from Corona start, when I really drink the rum, I haven't been drunk since.
I've been drinking
It's been
since
a while.
Corona. Like, drink up your own.
When I used to this. Alright, we're doing one more round and then we're moving on to the next game.
Alright.
Oh man, in a tear off me, not lie. Someone had the light? Woo! Should I drink the sorry rum now? I know for now. Truly, yeah, I'll be sorry rum that I think that would have look less harsh.
But anyways, as I was saying, I a Leo. I'm a Leo. I'm a Leo. My brain not long yet. I can curse.
Yeah man, that's fine.
My brain not long. At the room still.
Yeah man, I swear to God, I can't believe two little shot.
I'm a Leo. I grew up playing football and I did tracks in first form.
You never do tracks like girl.
Beep! I did tracks for I did tracks for 2 days in high school.
My girl, that don't count. That don't count.
It
That don't
counts.
count.
Tell me if it not counts. It counts.
That don't count.
To me it counts. No. Why should I cry?
Alright. Okay.
Hey, my wicked still not enough my train on the coke.
Oh my God. I should actually buy shot cups instead of them because Maria, I have to drink this out.
Yeah. I drink alphabet. My God.
Oh God.
Guys, go over and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Step on the screen.
TIANNE ESSON hair.
Alright. My last round. Alright. I've had 3 boyfriends. I've had a relationship, a situationship, an entanglement with my friend's ex. I did synchronized swimming in high school.
The first one, I don't remember what is the first one.
Then all the remember the first time was like that
Because
line.
I believe that the rest is true. The truth. By the way you say it.
Or the first one again.
She didn't even remember the first one, but she knows her life. Are you just gone? No, she never.
Three boyfriend?
Three boyfriend, yeah.
Yeah, that's a lie. I haven't had any. Oh, I'm lying. I'm lying. Anyways, I'm gonna take my shot. I'm a shot.
Can't go with her.
God go with me, you know. I'm gonna read the next video for after this. How am I gonna manage? Daddy ain't raised no bitch. Period. Alright. That's it for 2 truths and 1 lie. And that is also it for the liquor because okay, I manage no more. I'm a punk. Last game. Why every time me talk the truck them off pass?
Them of us, I'm pink for you.
Me have to go look one truck man or something?
And me for that truck,
Or me have to go buy one truck and drive.
imagine your man come pick you up in that truck.
Suppose I have one red carpet for go. And the man come pick me up in one truck and drive me at the truck.
A truck expensive still, you know. Like man where I drive truck and make money. And I tell you like truck man, when I get to myself a truck man. It's we will say.
Yeah. Kira, last game. Never have I ever.
She come expose me now.
When I expose a girl, not expose you. I don't like five of them. See? Alright.
Or should they take a shot if we did it, or we should just say I?
Half a shot still.
Half a shot.
Or like this,
Come on,
like this must
come
become. Me I tell you the truth, you know. Girl at God.
Girl and light.
Girl and light like feather, lighter than a feather. I don't know oh girl and light. So I go then you go. So we're doing
5.
in all? Alright, we're the 6. We're the 6. So 3 each.
6.
So put a finger down if you do it. Yeah. Never have I ever had a crush on my friend's boyfriend.
Me and my friend them now the same time. Sorry.
Amen. Amen.
Me
Period.
not look on my friend man.
And if you look on your friend, man, you're not a friend. You're like, you're weird. I make a pre.
Sorry.
Stop them thing there. I understand. Alright, next.
And never have I ever been a booty call.
I don't think so. I don't know still now. Musical Justin?
Could be.
Could be. I don't know. I don't think so. I hold myself to high. I don't think so. Imagine if a man was calling me as a booty call.
But you know make booty call too.
Never have I ever had a one night stand.
Some girl walk with them front on them friends till you have one night stand. Like, why would you do yourself that?
Because them need them sitting on there to be fulfilled. Oh, where you putting your finger for?
A booty call. Banana.
Is that history? Alright. Your turn.
Never have I
We never did feel take off a shot. My girl, but I feel like you're out there for me to know. But have them put on for you. Alright.
Never have I ever, since we are talking about friend, never have I ever hook up with one of my friend's ex. You know why I'm gonna say that? Come and know. I'm gonna want her to take a shot. You know?
It's alright if we take the shot same time then because you're a booty call. Alright, let me just make something clear. Okay?
Clear.
But I'm not clear, yeah. It is what it is. Come on. Hello, I'm not driving home, so I'm not driving at home. I want to reach home safe and sound. Alright, shall.
Diddy.
Whew. How much more we have? 2? 1? As in 1 for me, 1.
1 each.
Alright.
Get headlights.
Get headlights, but never have I ever stalked my ex's new girlfriend. Who have time for that?
I'm a business boy.
Period!
I'm gonna stalk your phone.
I didn't even have the ex.
What name, so?
What name that?
What name, so?
What is that? Irrelevant. Next.
Never have I ever hooked up with somebody on the first date.
What do you mean hook up?
Like, well, not text and everything, but the first day when like meet up, like when we meet each other in person. But no. Yeah, I'll do the do. You know? But no, what's that explain?
Nothing happened. Alright, that's the end of that game. And now we're basically to the end of this video, but to finish it all off, I'm going to need you to choose one of my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get a prize. So choose one. I'm gonna tell the way a prize be. Yeah, for two, girl.
Since I do left hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, so since I do left hand, I'm gonna choose the married finger.
What is 1, 2? I wish I never chose 2. Alright. Since you
No, 2. No. Start over. I'm gonna let that off there. Come on.
Alright, may I get a chance?
Go on,
What if you get a
I say
chance?
no.
What if you get a chance?
Stop. You know, look at me. Look at the You really that's what I said. Don't forgive me an next chance. Why is this so?
Alright.
Alright, the index finger.
Which one that? This? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, you win $10 US.
My eye.
Yeah, that's you win that. I'm not tell you what the second finger did this to. But this you win.
I make them know.
No, I'm a good man. That have to be the next person we are competition thing. So you win $10 US. Probably you could have win more, probably you could have win less, but hey, I like your picture that you get. You understand? So I'm about wait for it. No, man, I'm not telling you what it's not man.
Not like that.
I'm a good man. Just to know, say, I'm not lying, me a tell. Better get a girl or 10 US. See there, 5 plus 5 as opposed to 10. I think we did do good in a sexy maths. Have a lovely day.
Tell me no, I just want to know if I could get more.
Probably.
I don't like to answer them.
You probably could get
It's
more.
a yes or no
You
question.
probably could get less. A 5 finger, my friend. Just know that the one, yeah? I never feel. So, thank you guys for watching this video. This is the end of it. This is the end of Shelby Shenanigans. But frost, right? Brother, why you switch?
What you mom?
What can I say? Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell. One of them
notified
places.
every time she posts a video. Guys, remember to go over to my channel and check it out.
On the screen.
But just start.
Only need for run her up. You understand? Run her up to 1K subs. And then more. And then more. You understand? So her link and them thing there will be in the description. Make sure to go over there, and if you don't watch our video, tell her that AndImShelby sent you. Okay? So, yeah, that's it. And goodbye!
Bye guys!